Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shoaib Education. Today I am writing an essay on my garden. I have a beautiful garden in my backyard. There are many different kinds of flowers in my garden. I like to spend my afternoon playing in my garden. My garden has a little pond with fish in it. I have a small vegetable patch where I grow tomatoes and peas. There is a swing in my garden. I have a little shed where I keep all of my gardening tools. There are many bees and butterflies that visit my garden. I want my plants every day to keep them healthy and happy. I love my garden because it is peaceful.